Friends, we have a beautiful question from chapter 13, CBSE Standard 10. In exercise 13.4, question number 5. A metallic right circular cone 20 cm high and whose vertical angle is 60 degrees is cut into two parts at the middle of its height by a plane parallel to its base. If the frustum so obtained be drawn into a wire of diameter 1 by 16 cm, find the length of the wire. A right circular cone. It is metallic. Its height is 20 cm. Vertical angle 60 degree. It is cut into two pieces at the middle. And it's done by cutting parallel to the base so that we get a frustum of a cone. That frustum is reshaped into a cylindrical wire and the diameter of the wire is given 1 by 16 centimeter. We have to estimate the length of the wire. Let this be the figure of the right circular cone. It is cut at the middle and this top portion is taken off. The remaining is a frustum. To find its volume, we have to get the base radius and the top radius. How to get it? See, from the apex, if we drop a perpendicular, you will get a right triangle with vertical angle 30 degree, height 20 degree. Let the base radius be R1. Then R1 will be 20 by root 3. Regarding R2, it will be 10 by root 3. Base radius 20 by root 3 and top radius 10 by root 3. When this side is put 10, R2 will be equal to 10 by root 3. Now, to get the height of the frustum, it is given in the question that it is cut at the middle. Therefore, the height of the frustum, this will be 10 centimeter. Radius of the wire is given. Let this be the wire. Its diameter is 1 by 16 centimeter. These are the details given. Let H be the height of the frustum, R1 base radius, R2 top radius, R radius of the wire, then L length of the wire. Now, when the frustum is melted and reshaped, the volume does not change. Therefore, volume of the wire obtained will be equal to volume of the frustum. Volume of the wire, it is a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is found out by using the formula n face area into length or base area into height. Here it is end face area pi r square into length. And what about the volume of a frustum? That is a formula. That is pi by 3h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. This is the formula used for finding the volume of a frustum obtained from a right circular cone. Now, on both sides there is pi. We can cancel it. Or dividing by pi, it's it. Then r is given to be half of 1 by 16, that is 1 by 32. Why? This is diameter. For getting the radius, we have to divide it by 2, that is 1 by 32. R square means 1 by 32 square into L is equal to 10 by 3 into R1 square, 20 by root 3 whole square plus 10 by root 3 whole square plus 20 by root 3 into 10 by root 3. 20 square is 400, root 3 square is 3, 10 square is 100, root 3 square is 3. 20 into 10, that is 200, divided by root 3 into root 3, that is 3. Now this reduces to 200 plus 300, 200 plus 100, that is 300, 300 plus 400, 700, into 10, that is 7000, then 3 into this 3, that is 9. Now 32 square is 1024. 1 by 1024 L is equal to 7000 by 9. To find L, 7000 into 1024 by 9. So much centimeter. To convert it into meter, we shall divide it by 100. So the answer will be 7961.4 meter. Thank you.